Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing? Let's see. Today is Wednesday, December 30th, 2020, which means this is the last stream of the year for me. I will, after today, I will see you all in January of 2021, which I guess the first one will be the first, so that's cool. Last stream ever party. Don't forget the title. I think the title's fine. Yeah, the title's fine. We're gonna leave it like that. But yeah, today's stream is going to be unfortunately a little bit shorter. I get to take care of a little pupperoo at about 2:30 or 2 or 2:30, so we're a bit time boxed on the stream, so I'm gonna try and rush into things a little bit so that we hopefully get something done or something working. But yeah, I want to show you what I got working since last time. I got all of the disk stuff working, but it turns out I did all this work for absolutely nothing. So I'm gonna show you why and how I can make that stuff go better. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone. Oh, I also want to rerun this notification that happened before stream, just because I wanted to say thank you for them. Bzens donated $10 and said thanks for taking the time to show Python tutorials. I appreciate that. Michaela's here. How's it going, Michaela? Hello, hello. Let me go through all of the people that are here. Sammy Wallace was first today. Congratulations, Sammy Wallace, on being the first. I didn't get this set up. What am I doing? The Anthony Window Manager. There we go. Oh, that's like several pixels off. It's gonna piss someone off. There we go, good enough. Now Clark says first, but was not first. Michaela came in at third. Kevin Stilberg says beep boop first, automated via Crystal. It's funny because you were fourth. Oh, that's funny. Hey, what's up, I satisfied? Hello, hello. My experiment failed miserably. Indeed, indeed. First in a regular stream, it's true, Sammy Wallace. Congratulations. I recreated Pokemon Fire Red in the browser, but with programming questions. What? Is it WASD? Oh, it is. It's a little buggy. Is there a go faster button? I basically built this same thing, although the characters were a little less glitchy, but the walking of this one is definitely better. Also, the collision is broken. This is kind of cool though. What happens if we talk to this guy? Oh man, why is this PHP function deprecated? Why is the text speed so slow? Oh shit, what? Okay, this is actually kind of cool. Non-blocking IO is for losers! Who's making the web standards? This is a bad question. Because currently the answer is Google. What it should be is this. Structured query language. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. How do you display hyperlinks without an underline? Text decoration, none. Oh. I mean, this is true. I feel like there's also a text decoration, no underline, though. Is JavaScript case sensitive? Yes. Although, historically, the answer is sometimes, so... Anyway, that's really cool. They need to work on their walking animation, though, and the text speed, but that's really dope. That's really dope. Use the Twitch API, I guess, but obviously you need to make it check more often. That's true, it's true. Knuckle Eric says, all I wanted was to be the last person to say first for 2020. New goal, be the first person to say first for 2021. Indeed. Indeed, indeed. Oh, it's every 10 seconds. That makes sense why you didn't get it, Kevin Strober. Hey, what's up, Yoda Droid? Hello, hello. Human bots are too fast. Is it just me, or is hello hello smaller? Maybe it's just bigger in Dixord. Yeah, it's bigger. It's way bigger in Dixord. So that would be that. That will be that. Hey, what's up, Gabrinet? Hello, hello. Good to see you again with your fancy founder badge. Oh, speaking of founder badges, I feel like I have to show you this, Gabrinet, while you're here. Let me get the command ready so that I can just press it real fast. Type something in chat, Gabrinet. Actually, I don't think I've seen a founder badge yet, so I don't know if it works. I'm pretty sure it works, but I just want to see it. 800 points per minute, so it should be possible to ping it every second, starting at 55. Oh yeah, that would work. Yeah. Government, say something. Hey, what's up, Drunk Time Lord? Hello, hello. What's the progress on disk caching? I haven't implemented any of the front end code of it, but a lot of the stuff that I need to do. Oh, is that an ant emote? Small ant emote? Sorry, what I was saying is I don't have any of the Python code for it yet, but I have the idea for the infrastructure, and we're going to be implementing the infrastructure part today, so that should hopefully go well. Hey, what's up, Steve-O Bandito? Hello, hello. And before everyone uses a bot and we're all fighting about who pings faster. True. Hey, what's up, Chico Codes? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Have you seen the image of the jam-covered corgi? I have not seen the jam-covered corgi. Drunk Time Lord. Hey, what's up, Robin? Hello, hello. Tofu stream. We might see Tofu on stream, but I don't know how long that can happen. Oh no, he went AFK. Yeah, I guess that's it. That's all right. That's all right. Hey, what's up, Leaf? Hello, hello. Good to see you. HP goes down backwards sometimes. No underline isn't a thing. Text, decorations, CSS. I swear there's a thing. I'm not clicking on that one or this one. So I know there's underline. But I swear there were more options. Where are all the possible values? Why does it not list them? Oh, I guess it would be text decoration line. Okay, that's fair. Blink. Oh no. Oh, here we go. Spelling error and grammar error. I don't know about those two. That's kind of neat. That's kind of neat. Sometimes, right? Right? Was it a small ant? No, it's not a small ant emote. Why does terminology have the stupid police siren when it beeps? Oh my god, terminology. Look at this shit. It's back again. Even though I clicked the persist settings button, this stupid sunburst thing is back again. Which, he went AFK, yeah. That happens. Trying to spam hello world in all caps with AUC Babby, AUC carpet between them. And copy paste the typing. Oh, I see. You hit Control W and close the tab. Oh no. Oh no. Hey, what's up, Avalbona? How's it going? Good to see you again. Welcome back. W3 schools. Yeah. Click this link for gift subs, says Kevin Strober. I don't. Okay. I'll look at it. Oh fuck! It did actually open. No. Okay, I didn't look at it. I was fast done. I didn't think it would just open! Stupid terminal. Stupid terminal. Robin says we have a no underline and tailwind which maps to text decoration none. Nice. Nice. Hey, what's up, Alexa? Hello. The sixels are working, kind of. These aren't sixels. This is terminology's alternate implementation. I did upload a video this morning about sixels, so check that out on the YouTubes. Time for a beer. I feel like that doesn't count. It's drunk time, Lord Anthony. These are sevensols. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Ako Hanzo? Hello. Welcome to the stream. Anyway, we're gonna put this back to the normal one because that's not what we're gonna be bringing out today. You didn't have to gift a sub, Kevin. One gift sub to Sad Dragon with question. What is your question, Sad Dragon? Feel free to ask it, and maybe I will answer it and make a video about it on my YouTube channel. But anyway, okay, what I want to show you today, and why this entire like second volume mount thing is an entire fucking waste of time. I did get it working, by the way. So this is what I ended up doing, since I think it's worth showing. Yeah. So I wrote a little script. This little script will run on startup. Basically what it does is it makes an ext4 file system on the second drive. It makes a directory called D. It mounts that directory to D, and it writes out to 4 directories that have particular owners and permissions. This is how you set the sticky bit with the install command. I learned this off stream. Install is just like put file at location with mode and owner and stuff. It's really, really useful for, you know, setting files in the right place. And then I do this to put it into fstab so that, or sorry, it's fstab, file system tab. But I just read it as fstab, and I'm sure other people do as well. So I'm going to call it fstab, even though I know I'm wrong. But yeah, you put the UID based file system mapping into fstab so that when you reboot the machine, the drive will still be connected. So this all works. I then added it to Puppet, had a mount disk class, and in my mount disk class, I wrote a script to varlib cloud scripts per instance. This means that every time the machine boots, it will run this script, or every time the machine boots with a new instance ID, which means like it's a new ec2 instance, it will run this script and, you know, source that file from this directory. And this all works. This works great. When I ran this, I was able to attach a drive at this location, but it's all fucking useless. There's no reason to do any of this because I can start a new instance. So we're gonna start a new instance with my AMIs. This is the current one that's running on master, and T2 micro, sure. We're gonna set this IM role, sure. You can just make this number bigger. I didn't think you could do this without having to do a bunch of weird file system shenanigans, but you can just make this number bigger. And when you do this, existing SSH will review and launch. You can tell I've gone through this dialogue way too many times because I'm basically speedrunning setting up an IM or an EC2 instance. And then you click this, then you copy this, then you SSH. And my windows are slightly too tall, so we're going to shrink these down by 1 block. And then eventually the box will boot. And the weird thing is, the thing that doesn't make sense to me from all of my experience with managing Linux machines and attaching drives and all that other shit, is somehow this file system is auto-resized. I didn't write any code to auto-resize it, but it just did it for me. So I don't know what's going on with that, and I'll show you that in a second. So what this all means is I can take my volume snapshot, which is here. This is what the AMI is based on. And this snapshot is 8 gigs, and I'm currently only using 700 megabytes of this. So I can shrink down this snapshot to be, I think you can only shrink it to be in gigabyte increments. So I can shrink this down to be 1 gigabyte. And then I'm not paying for 7 gigs that I'm not using. And so that's what we're going to try and do today. And then we're going to change the ASG to have larger disks attached to it. And so those larger disks I'll be able to build caching on and not have as many crazy moving parts. Oops, df-h, and you'll see here, this disk is, you know, it's 16 gigs. I didn't write any code to do this, so yeah. I don't quite know what's going on there, but it's good for me because it means that I have a lot less code to write to make this happen. But we're going to try and write this AWC. We're going to try and write this AWS IM, EC2 IM snapshot shrinker. That's what we're going to try and build today. And hopefully we have enough time to do it. Oh, my nose is itchy. I don't know what that is. My question is how I shot web, how I mine for fish. What? Is this Minecraft? Set-ux video when. JK, maybe I'll read the dash help again. I should probably do something about that. Video idea euxo pipe fail. I thought everyone calls it fstab. I think it's fs stab. I like how makedir is makedir, not mkdir. I mean, it is make directory, right? It's actually pronounced mercator. Yeah, any percent launch ec2 instance. Kevin Stoberg says, I agree. Anthony writes code. I think it's time to add bang I satisfied, which results in keep spending money that Kevin Stoberg doesn't have. We're just gonna have recursive commands for each of the people in chat. Wait, is this not where the Kevin command is? Mod plugins. Do you have your own file? You do have your own file. Do you want me to set it to? Keep spending money that Kevin Schilberg doesn't have. And if we restart, now there's an satisfied command. The other source says, I finally got my new laptop today. It's really powerful with 12 cores, but also quite noisy and runs pretty hot. I'm not sure I can live with such a noise level. One thing that I did I used to have an old hot laptop, similar problem. And one thing that you can do is get a stand that you put it on that has large circulation fans on the bottom. But I was in high school and didn't really feel like buying a fan setup. So what I did was I took Home Depot paint sticks and built my own laptop elevation, just passive cooling stand, and it made a huge difference for my laptop because, you know, sitting directly on the desk, the fans were on the bottom, so they were just blowing air, and there wasn't really anywhere to put it out. So yeah, putting it up on a little stand made it a lot better. Also, maybe the intake was on the bottom, I don't remember, but it added some passive ventilation and it made it way better and way less noisy. It's 8 gigs, but I'm only using 700. Oh my god, he's using 700 gigabytes? I literally can't believe it's that. No, yeah, it's megabytes. Yeah. They probably do AWS magic for you? Maybe. Cyberbenny says, what happened to the 8+8 plan? We don't have to do that anymore. We can just do 116 and easy. A lot cheaper. Does AWS still use SAML? You can log in with SAML. I don't have SAML hooked up to anything. Hey, what's up, Cyberbenny? Hello. Looking at set-help pretty much showed me everything. Oh, is it really? Oh shit! I didn't know this was a thing. Because I'm surprised about this, because set is a shell built-in, and most of the shell built-ins don't have help. Oh, that one does. I bet type doesn't. It does! Type. I guess they all do that. Command. Huh. Maybe I'm remembering Mac OS where shitty crippled BSD system and it doesn't have nice things. I don't know. But that's cool. FS tab, not FS stab. Oh yeah, for sure. Hey, what's up, Beldothis? Hello. Bang, I satisfied bonk. And the recursive bangs work too. I hate when people just ignore literally one-line pull requests. Yeah, I know that feel too. I know that feel. Bang, I satisfied. Yeah. Nixative, how's it going? Hello. Ooh, we're talking about laptops. I'll just casually flex my IBM ThinkPad Z60M. Single core. What? Why is that such a small tiny laptop? I built my own, put some wooden blocks underneath it. Genius. Oh my god, it was so cool. My stupid little, I even painted it. It looked really nice too. Home Depot paint sticks. Yeah, these ones. I guess they're paint stirrers. Why are they selling them on eBay for 160 of them? But anyway, I took these, and the thing that's really nice about it, see that little divot in them? That's the feet. I had feet on my laptop, and so I lined them all up so that they were, you know, they had the bloopy bit as like a little spot, and that's right where my laptop feet fit. So it worked out really nice, and then I painted them black, and it looked nice. Anyway, hey, what's up, Dodo? What is pre-commit? You've been here enough times to know what pre-commit is, surely, right? Either pre-commit.com. This still is a little jarring every time I see it, or pre-commit.ci. Surely you've seen me work on either of these, right? A cheap laptop is a great way to get started with Linux. That's true. Hey, what's up, Bitchit? Who says, is it sad that I just spent 5 hours on leak code just for fun? I mean, if that's what you enjoy, like, go for it, man. In some ways, like, working on Advent of Code is kind of like spending time on leak code. Although, I find Advent of Code to be a lot more fun. But, yeah. Anyway. What's an Ask Me Anything? Did I say AMA? I meant IAM. Or do you mean AMI? Like, I figured AMI stand for Application Machine Image or something like that. Ask Me Image. Try man. Man. There's no man installed here. I intentionally purged man on there. Oh, it just opens the man page for man twice. I see. Shitty BSD, how dare, fine. Don't tell Swills. The heat management concept is a bit new, strange to me. It sucks air from the bottom and blows it out between the keyboard, body, and screen. So you can't run it closed at all. Interesting. That's a weird place. I keep hearing paints dicks, to be honest. Oh no. Because I only use it for remoting. Okay. So it's essentially like a Chromebook that has a terminal. Makes sense. Hey, what's up, Catherine? Hello. How's it going? Did you buy 160 of those sticks? No, I just had like 10. Your slogan is a bunch of business degree inspired buzzwords. It's really not. It's really exactly what it does. There's no buzzwords in here. None of this is false. This is exactly what it does, and exactly the reason that it's intended to create. Unless you're talking about this one, but I think this is also. Do you mean this bit? This is also exactly what it does. I wasn't trying to be misleading. This might be a little bit buzzy. But also, this was written in 2014 and not by me, so I probably need to rewrite it at some point. Please don't ban. Amazon Machine Image? Oh, yeah, that would make more sense. Hey, what's up, MJ? Hello. We have purged man. It's now a woman's world. There you go. Hey, what's up, Arsha? Hello. Allard Khan says, would it be hard to build software with Python to draw and play, music score, highlighting notes? MJ, thank you for the resub. 6 months. Which means you get a fancy new badge, MJ. Man. Indeed. It would be hard to build software with Python to draw and play, music score, highlighting notes when played, and maybe adding an input control from a microphone to check if you play the right note. I mean, you could build... I don't know how hard that would be. The hard part about that would be identifying the spot in the song and testing pitch relatively. I don't have any experience in that, but it doesn't sound like that should be too hard. Roll your own Kubernetes distribution for there's no fucking reason to use Kubernetes for this. The OOTD is man. Nice. And this server says, so far I consumed quite a few videos for the second time for setting up my stuff on Windows and my Linux VM. The VM video is a really good one. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Dark Time says, do you happen to know the difference between get SCM version of Windows and the get for Windows.org? They're the same. They should be the same. I'm pretty sure this, yeah, this is the same thing. I think these are the same files that get downloaded. Although, these are different. Portable get's different. I thought they were the same thing. I don't check the checksums. I have no idea. So pre-commit does things before commit makes sense, but whatever would I do before I commit? Linting, spell checking, code formatting. You know, sometimes code gen even. Most of it's linting and code formatting. They're the same, says I satisfied? Yeah, that's what I thought. They used to be separate projects, and then I believe get SCM gobbled the other one. So I've heard CI stuff is pretty important to know about and get used to, but would you recommend pre-commit CI for me as like my first one? So pre-commit CI is really nice for, you know, doing linting and code formatting. I would probably look into something else to run your tests. Pre-commit CI is intentionally not a general purpose continuous integration system, so you wouldn't do that to run tests, but right now I do no linting, no code formatting, or testing. Well, yeah, you might want to do those things first. Does the Git SCM version also come with Git Bash? Yes, that's the one that I install, so that's how I know it has to. Okay, so I forget which Stack Exchange site I saw this on. Not increase. We want shrink. Is it this one? This one. Yeah, no, it's this one. This is the one. This is the one. No. This one? No. Decreasing the EBS root volume is as follows. Stop, not terminate the instance. Detach the root EBS volume. The volume used for a step of be altered, so you may want to take a snapshot if you didn't already. Yeah, this is basically the same instructions that I was looking at before. Doesn't work with Ubuntu 16. Okay, this is, I think, the directions that I was looking at before. Ursing Pashax. Okay, we're gonna try and automate both of these things. Yeah, this is what we're gonna try and do. So we're gonna try and boot an instance, attach 2 drives to it, copy one of the drives to the other drive that's shrunk down, and yeah, do that. So we're gonna see how much work this is to automate. Data says, I just watch videos on the internet and chat with Anthony. That counts as coding, right? One of us is a professional. Is EBS Elastic Beanstalk service? No, it's Elastic Block something. Block storage? Elastic Block Storage. What does EBS stand for? I think it's Elastic Block Storage. Elastic Block Store. Okay. So I'm going to try and do this manually first. So I'm going to go to instances, and we're going to launch an instance. Oh wait, we already have one running. Let's which is the one that I just started, this one. Actions, dominate. No, they moved it. Launch. Catalina. They're really trying to push that, aren't they? We're gonna go with 20 HVM. Ooh, we can do ARM. Select T2 micro. Next. And then add storage. Okay, so here's where we're gonna add a new volume. And this is going to be... Why is this so fucking useless? What is my snapshot called? Snapshots. We want the 1037 one. Okay. Damn it. So we want this here. Yes. Delete on termination. That should be 8 gigs. Then we want another one that is 1 gig. Oh, we want these to be GP3 so that it's just speedier. We also want that one to be delete on termination. So we're going to try and copy from SDB to STC. We'll see what happens there. We'll see what happens there. Yeah, configure security group. This one next. Improve. Oh yeah, of course. I know that. Okay, we're gonna try that. We are going to try that. My favorite short option combo is dash help. Yeah, help is pretty good. Let's see if I made a pre-commit hook for a spell checker, at least Mikhail would use it. So there is already a spell checker that works with pre-commit. There's a couple of them actually. Code spell, this is the Python one. This one's really good. This one is a R-based one, so I don't want that one. What's this one? JavaScript. Yeah, speller. Guess this is another one you could use. But I recommend Codespell. Codespell's pretty good. Imagine trying to remember what all this stuff stands for. That he does, but he stutters as he says it. It's kind of true. Can you keep track of the number of emotes used in your chat metrics? It's possible. The thing is, I don't know what stuff is an emote versus not. I know I could find my emotes. Grep -c ADC Python. Oh, this is where I became partner. So this would have to be grep -ec Anthon63. Thing is, I don't think this matches I don't think this matches multiple per line, because I'm pretty sure in here, yeah, like this should have been counted as 5. And that should be 10. 20. 30. Oh, I know, that should be 20. Oh, Mindful Fox, where have you been? Miss you, bud. Yeah, I think this is counting wrong. But anyway, yeah, I could go through and grep out emotes. I don't actually have enough information to know, like, all of Michaela's emotes, for instance. But yeah. Python is probably number 1. Yeah, probably. I don't know. Carpet's given Python a run for its money. Log skill for Michaela, linear for everyone else. Yeah. Dota says, I really stray from lol kappa and :o. Nice, nice. As Joey says, not JK, today in cold outreach, your project very fit for my skills and experience. I have enough skills and rich experiences in this field, so I'm very interested in your project. I want to discuss more details on how to complete perfectly your project. I'm ready to work immediately. Oh no. Oh no. Junk Timeline says, 4 years ago I wrote a Python bot that stored message counts for every person in every chat in a dictionary, and it would pickle.dumps that dictionary on every message. Yikes. Pickle. Oh no. Why not JSON? The server says, every Python was the -dev one except for the one that came with Ubuntu. Pre-commit failed installing stuff because of missing Python and H. Took me quite a while to figure out. Oh yeah, I've seen the, I've seen that error so many times that I just know, I know what it means at this point. Hey, what's up, Popcorn Too Hot? Hello, hello. Are you still in WSL? No, but yes, but no. I'm not using Windows Subsystem for Linux. I'm using a VM. But yes, I'm still using a VM. Pretty sure you could use some projects for it. Oh yeah, for sure. Email info is in the header. Oh yeah, for sure. I know. That's how we did the chatbot image terminal stuff. But I don't store that. I don't store that on disk, so the information is lost. Let's see the maximum number of carpets in one stream. Carpet too cute. It's true. Wait, this is all regex? Always has been. Good programmers never say can't, at least when it comes to emotes per user countages. Oh yeah, I could scrape every single emote and do that, potentially, Michaela. Melky's here! How's it going, Melky? You still don't have a color. You still get an assigned color. Pow! Easy Herstag, 12,978 messages, 64,000 emotes. That's probably true. Kale says, have you made a video about your most commonly used Python functions or something? I want to practice some more similar things in C++. Friendly by the speaker, thank you for the resub. Oh my, Jason. You even got the bot to say it nicely too. That's great. But thank you for the resub and your continued support. I do usually make videos about the stuff I use a lot. Like I made an argparse video. I made a video about AST parsing. That's most of the stuff that I do, right? I've done some stuff about regex as well. You should add some Uberzug for showing emotes in the terminal. Couldn't go wrong. Oh wait, initiative. Do you not know about the thing? Have you not seen this? Let me show you cool thing. Because I have thing working. Type in chat now, initiative. You were too early, yeah. The emo factor approaches the golden ratio. What's up, Alamander? Hello, hello. Explains AST. So it's actually in a Flake8 video, Null STV. So if you search for Flake8 instead of that, it'll work. Does that work in every terminal? No. This one specifically works in terminology. But we'll probably add sixels if sixels start working better in GNOME terminal, and then sixels is a little bit widerly used. Friendly by the speaker says, what are we doing? We are trying to shrink down an ec2 AMI. Launch failed. Snapshot ID can only be modified on EBS volumes. What? What? What do you mean? Snapshot? Is it mad because I changed these to be GPT-3? Let's try this now. Launch. Yes. Only be modified on EBS volumes. You are EBS. Well, let's just do this because I know this works. Select. Cancel. Yeah, wait, yes. Next. The fuck? Hold on, it's just supposed to change the fucking naming? Is that what it is? That's dumb. Ugh. Use the wrong security group too. So this is just supposed to be F and G. Let's try that now. Oh, I also want to change the AMI back to community AMIs. 2004. Yes. Oh, and then I gotta do this shit again. God damn it. GP3, GP3. Hoping that's the right one. Delete. Next. Sorry, I'll get back to the question in a second. Just want to get this slow part working. Why did you move the 8 over there? GP3. Next. Next. Gotta go back and delete this one. Next. Yes. Please. Please, please, please. Yes. Okay, cool. Question is, who has more emotes? Use the bot or Michaela? It's 100% Michaela. Trick time it says, review some of your code. What code do you want me to review? Also, that's gonna cut into our short stream time. Is it okay if I review it next stream, Drunk Time Lord? I will review it. But can I do it next stream? Let me know in chat. When did the emotes start showing up in your terminal? That's new. We built this, I think, a couple of streams ago. GB3 does not equal EBS? No, GB3 is only ABS, so that wasn't that. It was the fucking drive naming. Didn't set the IAM role? I don't need an IAM role here. There's no other streamers besides Anthony. He's not wearing his best button-up shirt today. Could be his best. This is actually my favorite one. I like this one. I like this one a lot. That's fine? Okay, cool. Sounds good. Alright, anyway. We're gonna put this back because I don't use this terminal emulator. Feed cache! Okay, we should have this instance started now. And the goal after all of this is to have all this automated. So I gotta figure out all of the things we need to set up to get this working. But so far, let's take some notes, I guess. Okay, so launch instance any AMI 2004, sure. Original snapshot mounted at XVDF? Is that what it was? XVDF. New snapshot. Original. Yeah, mounted as EBS volume at this. EBS volume at XVDG. Empty. With new size at this. Okay, we've done that so far. And then we need to mount both of them, I assume. Ooh, we don't need to mount them. Not that one. I don't think the rsync one works. Let's do without rsync. Okay. Check the file system. Wait, this uses XVDA1. Do I not need to... Do I not need to have a separate volume for this? Can I just... I feel like mucking with the currently running volume seems like a bad idea. Create an EBS volume that's desired size, XVDG. Check the file system, shrink it. Can we do that while we're running? I'm gonna try it just to see what it does. So check this. If you continue, you will cause severe file system damage. Okay, so clearly we don't want that. df1 sudo dash u root dash I. I like how it just says no here, whereas this one it was like, do you want to continue? How long does this take? It's pretty fast. Okay, so that's fine. Feet! If OnlyFans anecdotes are to be believed, feet cash is a very real thing. People pay a lot of money for feet pics from cute girls. Graham Billington. That's a great name. What's he building? Meng today has the answer. I'm trying to build some AMI shrinkages. Pre-commit optimization. Does optimizing your pre-commit code count as premature optimization? Will Severe, just push it to prod. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Jay Carey? Hello, hello. MJ says, sorry if I missed it earlier. What's the benefit of shrinking the root volume in the AMI? Is it to save free tier credits? Volume snapshots cost a significant amount of money, and I'm basically paying for empty bytes currently, and so I don't want to pay for empty bytes, and so I'm going to shrink these down to smaller. So I pay for fewer empty bytes, essentially. What file system are we dealing with? This, I believe, is ec2. File dev x star. That told me nothing. How do I... Hey, what's up, Kinivasu? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Dash T. No? How do you... Dash capital T. X4. And mine is also X4. So yeah, X4. Initiative says, I now have 33 instances of to-do fix in my codebase. Oh no. You could track them using getCodeDat and graph them over time, which is kind of a... I don't know, I wrote this thing so you could... to-do count is one of the built-in metrics, and you could graph it over time. Most of it is because I need to do actual error handling instead of just crashing. Oh, that makes sense. Just replace it with triple hex, yeah. JK says, can you create a new temp partition? Do you have room? So I actually have I have 3 drives attached to this. I don't think I need to create a temp partition. Although I could do that, copy it into there, and then copy that file system into the final thing. That would work. But I think this is going to be simpler, and it doesn't really matter so much, because this will be like pennies to run this thing. We're just going to try and follow these directions, see if they work first. Resize 2fs. Except this is... Oh look, this machine comes with nano. XVDF1. Oh, this is slow. Never made anything big enough to start at 00x. That's what I did for Babby. I don't know, I feel like 00x... I mean, it doesn't matter if it's 0 prefixed. Can taking care of a puppy be part 2 of today's stream? It's possible, but I don't have, like, camera set up anywhere else, so I don't really have, like, a good place to make that a possibility. But it could be. Kingdom Master says, is this an ec2 instance? God, I hope it is. Otherwise I'm severely fucking... Well, I guess it's just a VM, so it's fine. Yeah, this is an ec2 instance. Phone stream? I could kind of do that. The problem is... I don't have much data plan on my phone, because I, like, literally never use it. I could run it over Wi-Fi, but I don't know. I've never streamed from my phone, so I don't really know what to do there. Puppy cam, yeah. MJ says, got it, can Pecker definitely not set the root volume to be smaller when you launch the AMI. You can't, unfortunately. I'll show you what it does in that case. So if I launch an instance, let's just use this. Go to storage and set this to 1, which it does fit in that. You can make it bigger, but you can make it smaller. Yeah, volume size must be at least the size of the snapshot. So that's why we have to do all this in the thing now. File system is now this K blocks long. How do I get the size of that? So we shrunk it, copy it over with DD. How do I get the file system size? Get file system size links. I doubt this is gonna work. XVDF1. 0. Oh, these are all gonna be like use DF, and DF's not gonna help me. Oh, maybe it does help me. Huh. Where's the thing where it told me how big it was afterwards? Four two two three 4K. Those numbers are wildly different. Yeah, I think this is just garbage. df-hl? df-hl dev xvdf1. Hey, what's up, Wesley Dev1? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Is that right? These numbers seem different than this number. Times 4 kilobytes in megabytes. Yeah, that doesn't sound right either. Neither does that. Neither does that. Megabytes? Ziotic! Thank you for the resub. 4 months in a row. And 5 total. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. None of these numbers sound right. You might have to remount the system. It's not mounted at all. I could mount it and then look at it. Sudo mount Victor D1, sudo mount dev xvdf1 D1. That's not what I want. df-h. One and a half gigs. Why is it 1.5 gigs? It should be 1. It should be exactly 1. Why did it not shrink it down further than this? Because if it's only 860, I wanted to get it down to 1 gig. It's rounding up. No, it's doing something dumb. Umount. Okay, but 1.5 gigs is close to... it's close to this value. I don't fucking know. Yeah, there we go. Kilobytes in gigabytes? No, that makes it go the other direction. Anyway, I don't fucking care. Fucking file systems, right? Right? Meister says hello from Portugal. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. From Left by the Speaker says, thanks to your talks video, I was finally able to set it up onto my projects last week. Nice, awesome. Glad that's good. Drunk. Yes, that's what we did end up figuring out. Thank you for that. Sneak says split keyboard. Indeed, indeed. Anything being a vlogger is becoming a reality. Oh no. Cloud VMs are weird. The download takes 1 second, but the install takes 10 minutes. What do you mean? What do you mean? Just buy an unlimited data plan with all the stream richities you are getting. I'm losing money, man. I don't know what richities you're talking about. I'm learning backend dev, and this will definitely be helpful for me. Thank you so much. Yeah, no problem. There are literally people going shopping and streaming this in vertical format. It's true, it's true. Sudo fdisk-shell. Okay, so I'm not sure why the resize didn't make it smaller. Maybe there's some like, please even smaller. Minimize its size as much as possible. Press X'd it out on that one. But apparently we can set the size. So let's set it to something that we know is going to work. Resize to fs. Dev x vdf 1 to 1000 m. Makes you check it first, I guess. New size smaller than minimum. What do you mean? Dash F, fuck it, right? What could go wrong? This comment here says that it corrupted the file system, but we'll see what it does. What is it doing? I don't know. What's up, Human Puppet? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Fucking file systems, yeah. Definitely rounding up to the nearest 1.5. You're right, Theronin. Yeah, this succeeded. What's the blue button? It's a fidget toy. Hey, what's up, Ethan? Hello, hello. Gotta defrag it, yeah. Dish H is rounded. Oh, yeah, that would make sense. Hey, what's up, Watch Elder Bear? Hello, hello. If you go with the severe file system damage option, then you can reduce your volume sizes to 0. It's true. It's true. Man, fuck obfuscated Java code. Like, it's not like Java is unreadable enough to start with. Are you trying to do a live resize a VM? No, I have separate. I'm running a VM, and then I have an EBS volume here that I'm trying to shrink down, and then copy over to another volume that's small, and then snapshot this other volume. So that's what we're doing. Let me make an off-topic question. What's the best GUI library for Python? So, I don't actually do much GUI development myself. I've heard good things about Qt. I've used Kinter, but it's kind of garbage. I know terminal UIs really well, but I don't know graphical UIs all that well. Kevin says, TIL, you can use SOCAT as a proxy to sniff whatever's being sent to a given TCP socket. Oh. I didn't know you could do that. That's cool. I know I've used SOCAT for a bunch of stuff, but Qt bindings are my go-to for any language. That's mostly because I'm used to the Qt workflow, not too into the whole GUI thing, especially in Python, yeah. Miguel says, hi from Spain. What kind of Linux are you using? If you do Bang OS, you can learn more about it. Looks like Sammy Vallis did that for me. But I'm using Windows 10, but I'm running Ubuntu in a virtual machine, so yes. And this is also Ubuntu, but doesn't matter. No manual entry for fuck. Shrinking volumes live is a pain. Oh yeah, 100%. That's why I'm trying to make a tool that automates this, so it's less pain in the butt. Qt is okay, but it helps a lot if you know the C++ behind it. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Let's see how modified, how why are there snaps installed? Let's see how fucked this volume is. What did I name it? D1. It came very close to filling up. But it looks like it worked. Question mark? So let's unmount that. Let's assume it worked. We'll proceed to the next step. I should probably have done this with a 2 gig a 2 gig drive first and then tried that instead. Using the number of blocks from that output and then round up a bit for safety. Blocks times 4 divided by chunk size in megabytes times 1024. What? 4 kilobytes divided by, oh, okay, I see, I understand. Just use this number. Okay, let's try that. Oh god, DD commands are always sketch, in my opinion. Okay, so we're doing 64 16 meg copies from XVDF1 to XVDG. Sure, fuck it. Let's see what happens. Terminal UIs. Give me one example of a terminal UI's library, please. Curses. Yeah, curses. That's how this text editor works that I wrote. So this is rendered using curses in Python. But yeah, I wrote my own text editor. Is there like a progress option to DD? Damn. I mean, I can control C it right now. How did you monitor the progress of DD? Well, it's too late for that. Well, it's done. Okay, so in theory, I should be able to stop this instance. Instances, instance state, stop. And I should be able to take a snapshot from that instance. Should I throw in some dash fees? Yeah. Nowadays, the cool kids are all about Rich. Oh yeah, Rich is a brand new one. I've heard good things about it. I've also heard about Urwid as well. Python equivalent for this. I don't know what this thing is. Ink. Interactive. Wait, React? Why would you use React in the terminal? Oh god, what? Why? If you just need colors, that part's easy. I don't know if you want to actually do React on the terminal, though. Are you coding in the Vim text editor? No, I'm using Babby, which is my own text editor. I swear you said instances, instance state to the tune of jingle bells, instances, instance state, terminate the box. I don't fucking know. Okay, it stopped. Which means I should be able to take this volume and create snapshot, description shrunken volume, and then sure. Create snapshot. Okay, then I should be able to create an AMI from this once it is not pending. Oh god, it's taking forever. Have you heard about Updog? I don't think I have heard about Updog. Dude, I was fucked up the joke. But Vim is much better than Babby. I mean, it has more features. Sure. God, I'm glad I don't have to deal with AWC. Do you mean AWS? You mean you don't have to deal with me? Oh, did you clip the jingle bells? That's some top level cringe right there. Okay, we have a snapshot now. Actions, create image, and test shrunken AMI. And we need to grab the kernel ID from the existing image. Oh, I did not want to run this command. Owner equals self. It's filter name equals owner values equals self. The fuck is the goddamn command? Owners. Otherwise, I was gonna list every. What do you mean? Oh, it's lowercase self. Okay. All right. So we need to grab. That's that. How do I get the kernel out of here? I swear that was a thing, right? x86-64, yeah, root device, fine, yeah. Kernel ID. Do you guys see kernel ID in here? How do I get the kernel ID? Show kernel ID of AMI. AWS. Not AWSX, AWS. Describe instance attribute. Seems very virtualized If you set the virtualization type to HVM, it consistently works without a kernel ID. Oh, kernel ID use default. If you're unsure, use the default kernel. Okay, we're gonna just use the default, although we can probably set it to the actual one. Let me try that command that it had. Yes, ec2 describe. No, what is it? Describe. instance attribute. Instance IDs should be that stopped instance. It's this. Attribute kernel. Okay. Wait. What do you mean, empty curly braces? What? Alright, I mean, I guess fuck it then. We'll use the default. But let's do create, see what happens. Okay, so now we have an AMI. So in theory, we should be able to start an AMI from this, but at a bigger size. Launch instances, my AMIs, select T2, give it the IAM role of runner. We will set the storage to be bigger, so let's set it to 10. And why have you reset back to GPT-3, or GP3, should be GP2. Next, existing this, review and launch, yes. Does it boot? Oh, shit! That might mean that it's working. Might mean that it's working. Describe boners. Oh no. Oh god, how have you guys are talking so much today in chat. Holy shit. Hey, what's up, Kareem Pones? Hi. What are we doing? We are resizing a thingy thing. New sub sound. No, the sub sound should be the same. Oh, you mean you want me to change the sub sound to that? That was kind of cringe of you to say cringe, but whatevs. Yeah. Yeah, it's true. Describe boners? No. Line editors. I prefer text by setting text with a magnetic needle on my hard drive. Michaela, what is this image that you have linked? Seems like something I should not open on stream. What? I don't understand. Hey, what's up, Red Scratcher? Hello. Good to see you again. Realize we need to add a filler at the end. Here we go. Dashing through VMs, resizing while I go. Oh, what fun it is to try to corrupt my VM so isn't quite the last line. The earlier lines. Okay. Master says, I have to go. Wish you good luck with your project. And hugs from Portugal. Well, thank you for stopping by. Hopefully I'll see you around in the future. Yeah, I don't know what the curly brace shenanigans was. Also, I don't think this is booting. Stopped. That means it failed, I assume. Shit. Is there like boot logs? Info. How do I know what happened? Do we do this again but try with 2 gigs? Because I don't know what happened here. I should have 2 stopped, right? I should have, yeah. Oh no, which one was which? This one is the newer one. Troubleshoot. Get system log. There we go. Yeah, it's a real solid system log here. 100%. Hey, what's up, Zithrius? Yeah, it can be bigger. That's all I wanted to test there. So you're using an 8 gig drive, but only copying 1 gig of the snapshot. Yeah, I'm trying to shrink down the snapshot. Zithrius says this is so sad. Oh, you're 171? That's pretty high. It's a Priox. Hello. Boner is/was slang for a mistake. Everyone chortled on the Joker's boner. Ethan says that Twitch says my Prime sub unlocks in an hour. Why can't they just make it unlock at the beginning of the day? Yeah. Red Scratcher says I saw Blonde Antoine video yesterday. When is he coming back? Blonde me? I don't think I've done any videos where I was blonde. I had one where I was purple. Do you want to see a photo of me blonde though? Ugh. I don't know if I want to show this. Let's see. Photos. How do I get to albums? I very much do not use Facebook all that often. I'm not wearing a shirt in this photo. Can't show that one. This one's probably fine. Oh, that one's kind of blurry. This one I look super stoned. Which I wasn't stoned, so I don't know why. Yeah, this one's alright. I have an image location. Here's blonde me, if that's what you wanted to see. But yeah, this is when I dyed my hair bright blue in 2012. Hey, what's up, Shankar? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. But anyway, that's that. You mean view the system console? Yeah, apparently it didn't work. Apparently we don't have log here. Actions. I would have thought it would have been this. But maybe we'll check these other ones. No. No. Anyway, we're gonna terminate these two. We're gonna try it again with 2 gigs instead. Actions. Instant state. Gotta do them one at a time. Instant state. Oh, wait, maybe I could have done it from here. Yeah, I just had the wrong drop down. Okay, so let's deregister this one. Actions, deregister, yes. Where are the rest of my AMIs? Oh, we have a search here. Okay, I see. And then volumes. Oh, we have one instance running, yeah. Snapshots. You want to delete? Yes. Alright, let's try this shit again. But on the top. Instances, let me refresh this so that we don't have all this garbage. Okay, all terminated. Launch. And we're going to use 2004. ec2 micro. Next. Next, we're going to set you to GP3. We're going to add a new volume at F. It's going to be our snapshot and delete and GP3. And we're going to add another volume at G, which is size 2, also GP3, and also delete. And we're going to set our security group, and then we're going to launch. Okay, let's try that as well. Hello says, hello in TLS V3. Yeah, sorry, I'm slow at catching up on chat, so. It's not that there's stream delay, it's mostly just that I don't read chat in real time. I read it somewhat asynchronously. There's so much data in that system log, you should download it. The syslog was formatted with black, yeah. What have you linked, Ethan? Why did it 404? Why did that 404, Ethan? I don't know why. Last since the song was intended to be sung using the same melody as "Oh, what fun it is to..." You know what? Nice. Oh, I see. Okay, I understand. I understand now. I fucked it up. It's my fault. It's always my fault. that's the real answer. You look like that guy from the 90s that was in all those movies. I don't know. I can't brain. Yes, that was me. You're Eminem's younger brother. Oh, no. Slim Shady. Hey, what's up, Rocker Time? Hello, hello. What are we doing today? We're trying to shrink a snapshot. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. I need to run all those damn commands again. The feet cache. Take it off stream, never bring it back. That image is cursed. Do you want to see the blue-haired photo too? That's a good one. Also cursed in its own way. Photos. This one. For another cursed photo. Here's me with blue hair. I mean, the angle is really weird because I was trying to show off the color. I was showing someone the color. I wasn't like, here's a, photo that I meant to be shown other than to show someone the color. But yeah, there's blue hair me. But anyway. Look at this AWS wizard, right, Brainwash? I forgot to make it public. Oh, 99.9k. You're almost to 100k. That's crazy. Hey, what's up, Dat Shady Boy? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Eldalal says, do you like Java? I'm okay with Java. I'm fine with Java. That series phase 2, Brooding Anthony, Vampire Anthony. Blue hair with the emo glare. So moody. Ninja, yeah. Needs more katana and fedora. Looking like the Ubuntu theme. Zithria says, how old is your GitHub profile photo? It's from the same year. Oh wait, that's the new version of it. This is from 2012. I decided to try and take the exact same photo with the exact same clothes in 2019. So this is last year's version of this. But I tried to get like the same exact location in my bathroom in Michigan. Why did the arrows gone? There we go. But anyway, yeah, 2019, 2012 version of it. But yeah, that was the same year actually. Julie, you've been exposed. Dead Shady Boy says, I swear I followed her. Well, anyway, now you're followed to know. So perfect. Hello, info exposed. What should I be playing while working on AWS? What is this? What is this video? It feels good to be a gangster. Yeah. I read a lot of languages, but sadly I can only write Java and shell scripts. I'm sure you could write other languages. Your hair has gone long to short to COVID. Yeah, I've actually got one haircut during COVID, but I'm gonna need a new one soon, probably. Also, I don't think I said hi to Binary. Hello. Welcome back. It's good to see you. Typed Python is almost as awesome as Java. I really like typed Python. Okay. We need Oh, I didn't write any of the commands down. Damn it. I didn't write any of the commands down. What am I doing? Except, so this should be xvdf1, and then shrinky shrink. xvdf1. So let's do that first. Oh. Cool. Then we will do this to make it shrink. Shady Boy says, I want to build something that auto-writes tests for me. Would they be useful at that point? I mean, you could use something like Hypothesis, where you describe the system and it generates a bunch of tests for you. Michaela says, I looked at some of Anthony's old code once, and the Python didn't have type annotations. Yeah, I've only really started typing code about somewhere around last year. Before it was like not easy to do typing and all the things, so I didn't really, but I've been using a lot of types for the last year or so. I guess 2 years now. Doesn't feel like this was a year, to be honest. 2020 was a fucking shit show. What a goddamn waste of time. I do debug stuff in Python from time to time, and sometimes Swift, but if I'm writing from scratch, I have to fall back to Java. I see. Types in Python is becoming so good. Yeah, it's becoming really good. I'm really happy with that. Ruby is taking the same approach. They're adding types in Ruby 3. I guess added because Ruby 3 is out now, right? Okay, so we have resized the file system. Then we need to do our dd command. Oh, I forgot to do this. But that's fine. Okay, so... Oops. I think we want status equals progress. You can't see that because it's off screen, but pretend like it's there. And instead of 80, we want 64 times 2, 128 to do the 2 gig drive. Let's try that. We'll see what happens. Oh shit, I used the wrong drive. God damn it. This should be xvdf. It's okay, we can just splat over it, right? That's how this command works. I satisfied. Approves of the Java love. This seems really slow. For EBS, because it's supposed to max out. Oh wait, no, that's right. It's 125 megabits, so that's good. A true dev on Stack Exchange. Well, we're changing the commands. I know how they work, so I don't feel like I'm cheating too much. The answer says, I feel like you made much more out of 2020 than most people. Yeah, I guess I can agree with that. I think like the amount that I built up my stream and like the cool stuff that I built was pretty cool. It still just feels like it was a giant waste of a year. But I don't know, I'm really happy with the like community that we've built and like the cool software that I've built and like all the people that show up to my stream and hang out and like I mean there's no family in 2020, but you guys are kind of my family in a way. I'm so glad we added the fucking status equals progress to this command, because we would have just been sitting here like, well, I don't know what it's doing. Greg says, well, I'm not focused on work. Do you have a video on your Git workflow? I've heard you reference Rebase workflow, I think in your other videos. I think I need to learn Git. I do plan to talk more about Rebase at some point. Kevin has resubscribed to Tier 3 for 5 months. Thank you for the resub, Kevin. Really appreciate your continued support. That's why you get this fancy Kevin command. And I appreciate all the love that you guys are giving in chat. It's been a good year. I'm glad you guys have made it not so shitty. Kaleidoscope says, whatever became of your emotes in the terminal project? It works. While this is running, we'll fire up. I think this is the third time I've shown this demo on stream today, but it does work, so if we press up, oh, damn it. There we go. So if we stop this and start this, and now you send emotes. Oh, we missed your message, Leet Rose. Send it again, Leet Rose. Send it again. But yeah, it works. A little bigger so you can see. What is that? What is that supposed to be? Thanks, egg. I don't know what it is. It kind of looks like a charred chicken corpse or something like that. Does it handle GIFs? No. But fortunately, I don't need to handle GIFs because you can't post GIFs in Twitch chat. Except with BTTV, but it doesn't support BTTV yet either, so that's, yeah. Yeah. Also, it's only the 305th day of March, hardly a year yet, so that's why it feels that way. Yeah. But yeah, terminology can render GIFs, and Sixels can handle GIFs as well. But I am not using Sixels, and I am not running GIFs either. It doesn't automatically open and display links then? No. No. That would be a little risky. New feature request, ability for you to click the emojis and view the high-res version. Yeah, that would be kind of cool. I don't know how it would work. Let's see. Hyperlink terminology. It's certainly possible. God, and then finding the fucking finding the fucking docs for this again is going to suck. How do I... Oh god, can somebody link me that damn page? I can never fucking find it. I should really bookmark it. Anyone know where it is? No? Terminology... Terminology... Terminal GitHub. I think it's on their GitHub? Yeah, here we go. Pop up the given media/file URL. Cue a pop-up. Set the background. Alpha state. Font size. Images. Thumb media with link. Oh, I want it to be identical to the IC command, not the IS command. I mean, this might work. IT instead of IC? Send a command to an existing channel ID. I don't know. IT would be my guess on how to do that, but I don't know if it would work. We could try it. But emote.py. What happens if we change IC to IT? Alright, somebody sent an emote. I should probably do it for the badges, because I don't think the emotes are... I don't think I use the... Oh, yeah, totally doesn't work. Okay. Wait. Why did carpet not work? Why did these ones work? The carpet don't work. I don't know. Fuck it. Anyway, carpet's back now. Yeah, I don't know why the thumbnailing didn't work. Is this rendering Unicode? Yeah, it's these special escape sequences right here. So yeah. Yep. But it renders actual images in the terminal. Hey, what's up? I hate chemistry. Hello. R.I.P. Carpet. Yeah, Carpet's back now. We're good. We didn't kill Carpet. Hey, what's up, Alptug? Hello. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Infinite beer stream. Oh, if you got me to open W3 schools links, yeah. Is this a 1 second delay? More like 5. Let's see. I can look at how much the stream delay is. Okay, so if we put a message here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6 seconds delay, which is pretty bad considering I usually have like 1 or 2 second delay. Hey, what's up, Alp2? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Eldalal says, do you use Ranger? I think you might like it. There are several things called Rangers, so you need to tell me which Ranger you're talking about. Because unfortunately, like 4 different technology projects that are reasonably popular have been like, yeah, I'm gonna name my thing Ranger. Well, I don't know which one you're referring to. Can you escape from Alcatraz with your escape sequences? I don't think that's how it works. Probably not. What is there besides the file manager? There's a log management system. What are the other ones? Hey, Ethan! Thank you for the 100 bits. Oh, you got to 100k channel points? God, it's fucking ungoogleable too. Ranger software. There's Apache Ranger. There's Silver Bullet Ranger. There's Ranger, which is the file manager. There is... Oh, you guys can't see this because I'm doing this off screen. Why am I doing this off screen? Ranger software. Okay, so there's Apache Ranger, there's Silver Bullet Ranger, there's Ranger, and there's another one too. Maybe the other one's less popular. Well, there was like some image processing one. Maybe that's the Apache one. Data security in Hadoop. Check scanning software. And then the file browser. So yeah, there's a lot of them. Hey, what's up, GLDev? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. We're talking about Ranger. Okay. I see. 12-hour stream now. Well, I have to take care of the pupperoo soon. Very soon. Hey, what's up, Ditchem? Hello. CD ... Oh, this is completed. Cool. Let me save that. Okay, so now I need to stop this instance. Instances, instance state, stop. Yes. You need to stop. Stop now. Stop, please. Why did it stop? Why no? Instance state, stop. Yes. Maybe I stopped the old one? Oh, there we go. Now it's worked. Okay, so now able to go to storage and then this volume and then create snapshot Test smaller volume, create. Okay, and then from the snapshot, once it clears. You meant do you like Rangers? There was this kid in my high school. I don't know why that I still reference this. But like all this kid would talk about was RuneScape, and his like favorite thing to do would be to go to everyone that he knew played RuneScape and would ask them what their levels are. And he had the more I talk about this, the more bad I feel about remembering this particular thing. His voice, he spoke in a particular way, and he also packed chewing tobacco. And so he would frequently walk up to somebody and be like, "What's your range? What's your range, buddy?" And anyway, I think about that a lot whenever somebody says the word range. I don't know why, but I felt I should share that with chat. Now to buy more bits. Ah, I see. R has random force stuff called Ranger. Oh, there's one in R too. GLDev says, I love Flake8. Thank you for your hard work. Yeah, no problem. 12-hour Tofu stream. Tofu would not sit still for 12 hours. She barely sits still for like, I don't know, a couple minutes. Dog walking stream. Yeah, we talked about this earlier. I don't have enough of a data plan to do it. Eldalal says, add another virtual disk to my VM, which runs Fedora. Nice. Awesome. What is this link you've got for me, Kevin? Ask me about my range. Hammer time. Okay, yeah, nice. Cooking tofu with tofu stream. Can't cook dogs. Nah, cleric. It's not gonna happen. Smokeout says, ho hi. Or is that supposed to be oh hi? Is AWS hard to learn? Yes and no. I feel like there's a lot of docs that can get you most of the way there. There's also a lot of other people that are using AWS, so it shouldn't be that difficult to learn. What the fuck? Why aren't you done yet? Why are you taking so long? I don't know. There's a fractal of knowledge that you could learn there. Like it's you know, just an absurd amount of different ways to do things, and you know, there's more services than I can even name. I think there's like 200 some AWS services. Now, granted, I only use like 6 or 7 of them. But I don't know. I think the basics are pretty easy, but there's no way anyone could ever fit all of AWS in their head. That's just too complicated. She was so sweet lying there in the bed being adorable last time. I was like, yeah, that's tired tofu. That's sleepy, cuddly, nice tofu. That's tuckered out tofu. And she's usually not like that. Oh my god, it makes goodness, it makes such a good ASMR noise. Oh my goodness, that's great. I didn't realize how much of a, you know, sound it makes. I bet their DevOps team is amazing. Yeah, probably. Used to free tier is all I know. Yeah, I mean that's basically what I'm doing right now. Tired tofu is adorable. Yeah, I know people who work at AWS that get surprised all the time by services they don't know exist. Yeah, oh, 100%. This issue was cursed. A typed AST issue. AST27 gives syntax error for valid code on S390X. Oh yeah, 100% cursed. I already know. If you're dealing with S390X, 100% cursed. Cannot assign to empty tuple. There's probably an unsigned signed or struct hacking bug, if I had to guess. Oh my god, this does sound extremely cursed. Was it a compiler bug? Well, yeah, this looks like an Indianness bug. Oh, it's a type punning bug. Oh. Yikes. Gross. That's kind of cool, but also so gross. And then loops be like, what's your range? Anthony writes ASMR, yeah. I have an architect mentor that knows so much about AWS. When I commented on his knowledge, he told me, what I know today will be gone tomorrow, and tomorrow I will learn something new. Yeah, oh, that's 100% true. Ended up being incompatible structs, yeah. Yeah, that's, I mean, those are, you know, insize, endianness, signedness, what was the other one? Struct packing? Those are like the four things I usually look for when I'm trying to port code. I watched a video on type punning once and I was like, what the fuck? I've literally never heard this phrase. I just noticed that you type them out manually. What am I typing out manually? Which thing is Ithrius? I type out a lot of stuff manually. Okay, the snapshot is done. We should be able to make an image from it. Actions, create image. Test shrunken AMI. Hopefully this will work. Default SDA1. Oh, we need to say GPT-3. There, that's why it doesn't work for him. Great. And available. So let's try one more time. If this doesn't work, we're gonna give up on this idea for now. Let's actually terminate that one since we're done with it. And now we will launch. Oh, I forgot to resize the thing to the full volume. So we gotta do that as well. Maybe that's why it didn't boot before. T2 micro, next. Runner, next. Wait. Why are you 8? What? 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 Why is it not... Why is it not 2? I mean, I wanted to upsize it anyway, so that's fine. But it's just not what I expect in any way, shape, or form. Searchable, launch, yes, launch. The theory says Rupa/Z. Jump around. Oh, this is for like shorthand CDing. Yeah, I've seen this before. But I'd rather type out the full commands. Running. Do I need to upsize after copying over? We're about to find out. Assuming this actually boots. Although, I guess last time it said running before it got to stopped as well. So this might not be working. Says Anthony, give up. Well, I mean, I have like 5 more minutes before Juice Bonks is here with Tofu. Stopping? No! Damn it. Well. Alright, well, I'll have to fuck with this later. Man, the problem is it's so slow to do all this stuff too, so it's a real pain in the ass. But yeah. I guess we can wait until Tofu gets here. I'll show Tofu on camera and then we'll begin in stream after that, I guess. Oh, why did you stop? Get instant screenshot? What? The log is actually empty. Amazing. I don't know why. I don't know why that happened. Why can't I view the log? So dumb. So dumb! Maybe I shouldn't have terminated this one. I could have just restarted it. I don't know why this is empty. The log is literally just the instance ID. Cool. Perfect. Show me the log! Info. Dun, dun, dun. I don't know. Ethan says I can't reset today. Bummer. Hey, what's up, Marsma? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Also, the question that was asked a while ago was about range of ranger. Oh, I see. I see. It makes sense. Cythrus says, is there a way I can copy the contents of a file to my clipboard in the terminal? Yes, however, it's dependent on your terminal implementation. Let's see. Is this the project? I always forget what the command is, so I always go here. Because this is the one that I use. xclip-selection C. So you can pipe a file into xclip. Of course, xclip is specific to the X window system, so it's not going to work elsewhere. Xclip equivalent macOS. Or pbcopy apparently also works. Excel also works. There's a bunch of different ways it looks like. If you have X installed, you may try Excel or with xclip. Or pbcopy. Oh, I guess this works. User bin pbcopy is for macOS, I guess. But yes, there are a bunch of different ways to do it. I should maybe do a video on that. Explains xclip/pbcopy. Be a nice video there. Kevin Joberg says, you know what really grinds my gears? GitHub using activity as the indicator for when a repository was last updated. Random repo on GitHub last updated an hour ago. Last commit 3 years ago. 500 open issues, unmaintained. Yeah. Yeah. That bothers me as well. I always look at commit date, or the last time a maintainer has, done an activity on it. Because commit date isn't always great. Xarc's video when? It's in the list. It will be at least a week from now, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pre-recorded videos, so sometime after these 7 videos. So I don't know. Eventually, but but not yet, Hayden. At some point. Oh, did I do the wrong command up there? You're right. I did want video idea. Video idea. There we go. Thank you, MJ. Let's get ready for that Anthony Explains marathon. I mean, they come out once a day. Ethan says, when is the next 12-hour stream plans? Let's see. That's not a browser. I just want a calendar for... Doesn't Google render it for me? No? I thought there was like a calendar thing. I know I can do Python-n calendar. Calendar 2021. So probably not the 3rd. Maybe the 10th? Maybe the 17th? I don't know, I haven't planned one yet, but presumably sometime in January. Also, my brother wants to do one on his birthday in March. Well, near his birthday, I guess. In March. we'll probably be doing one in March. But some Saturday in January, probably, and probably some Saturday in February. I don't know. Next clipwork's a treat, but you'll want to learn the difference between primary and secondary clipboards. What? I don't know about the secondary clipboards. There's the Control-V clipboard. Oh, then there's the middle-clicked one. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't really use the middle-click one. More videos to consume! It's true. Shift insert in some development environments. Oh, this is all set on my... Yeah, there's 3 pending ones, so... please sit on it so I don't have to just do a bunch in a row. Let me see when Tofu's gonna get here. What time do you plan to arrive? I need to fill up my water either way, so I'm gonna fill up my water. I will be right back, and I will see you in a bit. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. I guess let's try and run these settings again, but resize it back to size up. Maybe that's the problem that we're running into. I don't even know. I'm kind of running out of ideas, though. So let's deregister this. And delete this snapshot. Delete. Yes. And then launch. 2004. No special thing. GP3 new volume SDF. My snapshot also GP3 new volume SDG. 2 gigs GP3 delete on terminate. Next, existing SSH pull review and launch. Launch, yes, launch. Consumer meme, there's a consumer meme? Two-day stream, yeah, that's not, there's no way. Yeah, because I didn't even get to a 24-hour stream. Here's a good stream idea. Alt F for your fucking ADS account because ADS poopy. ADS is fine. It's working great for all the things that I'm using it for right now, and it's mostly free, so I'm not gonna complain about it. Although, whatever the fuck we're trying to do today is a little bit fiddly. Did I have the wrong port? There we go. Okay, that should get us in sudo-u root-i. And we'll run these 3 commands. That. And then this. It gets expensive? I mean, yeah, but so is running your own machines. So is running your own machines. So is running your own machines. Oh my god, the fucking sex bots on YouTube, they're the worst. All of my comments today have been from sex bots. Go away, sex bots! My favorite part is they, like, reference timestamps that don't even exist in the video. Like, this one's referencing a timestamp 1043, and the video is only 9 minutes long. Like, what? Why? Don't do that. Oh, Tofu's here. Tofu's here, chat. I hear Tofu. I guess I'll go get Tofu. I'll be right back. Here's Tofu, who's a little crazy puppy right now. Real excited to say hi to chat.
Hi, chat. You got her?
Yeah, I got her.
I'm gonna set up her pen.
Okay. Oh. Okay, chill, Tofu. But anyway, here's Tofu. No, you can't chomp my face. I know you want to. Tofu. But anyway, that's gonna wrap up our stream for today. One pupperoo. I gotta go take care of the dog. No chomping, you silly pupper. But thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.